All right, Michael, you got a word for everyone today.
Yes, the word for today is blessed is the man that walk not in the counsel of the ungodly, nor stand in the way of sinners, nor sit in the seat of the scornful. But his delight is in the law of the Lord, and in his law do he meditate day and night. And he should be like a tree planted by the rivers of water that bring forth his fruit in his season. His leaves also shall not wither. Whatsoever he do shall prosper. Not so the ungodly, for they are like the shaft that the wind driveth away. Therefore the ungodly shall not stand in the judgment, nor sinners in the congregation of the righteous. For the Lord knows the way of the righteous, but the way of the ungodly shall perish.
Amen.
Bless the Lord, my soul.
Wow,
Hallelujah.
beautiful, brother.
Hallelujah.
Beautiful. God bless you.
Thank you. Thank
Amen.
you, Pastor.
What's your name?
Pastor Dave.
Hi, Pastor Dave. Where do you pastor at?
Our church is in on Dort Highway in Hemphill, at the old Ignite Center.
Oh, okay.
Every Sunday at noon.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anybody have a cigarette for sale? I get all the water.
What we got, Pastor Tim, just so we can show everybody what we're cooking today. It's like baked beans.
Blessing in disguise.
He's hard to hear. We got ravioli.
Wow, what is it up here, man?
What are we cooking? What are we cooking?
We got ravioli. My wife made the baked beans.
A hawk?
There you go, right here.
Oh, way over there.
He just flopped out
Big
and got
hawk.
some.
Yeah.
Baked beans. Yep. I'll hold your bowl and
You know, have you seen, brother, have you seen it go around here?
You got a hawk flying. It's not a dove, that's a big hawk.
He just died down in that tree.
Yeah, it's a big hawk. Big hawk. Out here in Flint. Maybe he's hungry and homeless.
Look at it, man.
Yeah, it's beautiful. I lost him though. There he is. A big hawk.
Yes. I got it. One more.
I'll hold your bowl and get you.
Yeah, we got water.
Fork.
All right, I hope everyone's having a very, very blessed Sunday. We're out here in Flint, Michigan at Riverbank Park, actually across the street in the parking lot. Worship in the parking lot today, and I want to thank our volunteers. We've got baked beans and ravioli. I want to thank Pastor Tim. We've got Allison on her way with corn dogs and popcorn chicken and some clothing. So I just want to thank you guys. Well, YouTube is and Google are doing what they can to take my channel down now. They've for one of our live streams that we did, one of our revivals, not this one, I think it was the one before this a few months ago, they've given me a copyright strike, maybe go to copyright school, and if I get 2 more, they're going to permanently take down my channel. So I want you to subscribe to my other channel, Trumpet of God Ministries on YouTube. Trumpet of God Ministries. I'll try to put a link to that if I can, but just look up Trumpet of God Ministries on YouTube. I have that as a backup channel. And the devil is just doing what he can to try to stop us today. Wonderful service. We're praying and we're still believing, and I'm giving this to God. We need your help financially. We are struggling like I've never seen. We need you to search your heart to see if you can help this ministry. Next week may be our last week at the church unless we can come up with the money for the lease for next month. And we're praying, taking it one day at a time, and we're struggling with our homeless ministry. We're trying to do what we can 7 days a week for the homeless, and nothing has been coming in. No. So please pray if you can give. All the links will be below this video where it says show more PayPal. PayPal is quick and fast and easy, and we're trying to save this ministry, and we're trying to stop the devil in his tracks. All the links to how you can support this ministry will be below where it says show more. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching.